Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Anggorokasi, and today I'm gonna sign my midterm test for English vocabulary. Okay, I wanna explain about noun phrase. First, definition. A noun phrase is a group of words that function as a noun in sentence. This phrase includes a noun as a lead, head, and is accompanied by other words to describe the noun. A noun phrase is a combination of words that function as a single noun. This means that in a sentence, a noun phrase can act as a subject, object, or complement. So the basic formula of noun phrase is determiner, adjective, and noun, where the determiner always comes first, followed by adjective and a noun. Example: a red apple. A red apple. Determiner is the A as determiner, red as an adjective, and apple as a noun. The next example: the big house. The big house, the as a determiner, adjective, big as adjective, noun as a house. There are three components, as I said before, three components of noun phrase. There is determiner that always at the beginning of a noun phrase, the modifier, a word to give an additional information about the noun or to describe the noun. Next is the head noun, the object that we use in the phrase. Type of modifier. Modifier have many kind of type. There's an adjective like size, quality, color, shape, or condition. Example: there has a beautiful dress. And another example, like color, like another example from previous slide: red apple. Shape, like a rounded yellow, a rounded orange. Next, numerals. Word can show quantity or order. Example: I bought 3 books. 3 as an explanation of how many the noun are. Next, she finished in first place. It shows order, like in this context, she finished in the first, so he in the first place. Yeah. Next, possessive. Possessive is show ownership, to show ownership or relationship, such as my, yours, his, hers, etc. Example: her phone is on the table. It show. Oh no, this example is for adjective. Determiner. Sorry. I give another example. Example are the phone is yours. It shows that this phone is not mine, it's not his, but it's yours. It defines the possessive, the ownership of this phone. Okay. Next, noun phrase analysis. Noun phrase, pre-modifier and post-modifier. First, this post-modifier are word or group of word placed before the head noun to give additional information about the noun. It can be adjective, numeral, or possessive. Example: his big brown dog are playing in the yard. That's the noun phrase. The determiner is his. The pre-modifier is big and brown. Both are adjective. The head noun are brown. Another example like the big blue house are old and dirty. The noun phrase is, as I said before, the determiner the pre-modifier are big and blue. Both are adjective too. The head noun are house. Next, post modifier. Post modifier are word of or phrase that appear after the head noun to give additional information. They often take the form of propositional phrase, relative clause, in phrase, infinite phrase, or other noun that act as modifier. Example: the man who is wearing red hat is my uncle. The noun phrase is the man who is wearing a red hat. The determiner is the head noun is man. The post modifier is who is wearing a red hat. The post modifier is define the head noun, like who, what the man look like. Yeah. Next, noun phrase construction. A noun phrase is correctly formulated when its components are in the proper order and each element is used appropriately. Determiner first. A determiner is always come first. It's not in the middle or even the end of the sentence. It's always come at first of the phrase. Next, pre-modifier as adjective, numerals, and possessive. It placed at the before the head noun. Next is the head noun, of course the object, the main element of the noun phrase. Post modifier, propositional phrase, relative clause, in phrase, infinite after the head noun to explain the head noun. Example: a famous Italian restaurant near the beach serves a delicious pasta. The determiner is A. The pre-modifier is famous Italian, both adjective, and head noun is the restaurant. The post modifier are near the beach. So we can show the formula here. Determiner, pre-modifier, head noun, the last post modifier. Okay. Use in sentence. Noun phrase it can use in as a subject or an object in a sentence. Example: the curious little boy with the red backpack is exploring the park. The noun phrase is the curious little boy with a red backpack. It shows noun phrase as a subject in the sentence. Next example: the student display their colorful handmade painting on the school exhibition. The noun phrase is their colorful handmade painting for the school exhibition. So in this sentence, you can show a noun phrase it can use as an object in the sentence. Okay. So as a conclusion, that's all for me. As a conclusion, noun phrase is a bunch of words that function as one, can be subject or object. It structure as a noun, head noun as the object, the determiner as the base, the modifier as to show the definition or the description of the object. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Matiin biar lali. Anjir.